Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Bronco versus Toyota 4Runner. We'll dive into their core strengths and see which one might be the perfect fit for your adventures. The Bronco brings a fresh, customizable approach with its modular design, while the 4Runner stands on decades of proven durability. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to choosing your next rugged companion. Let's explore what makes each of these iconic SUVs unique. When it comes to tackling tough trails, both the Bronco and 4Runner are highly capable. The Bronco boasts advanced four-wheel drive systems, including G/OAT modes and impressive articulation, making it a formidable rock crawler. The 4Runner, on the other hand, relies on its time-tested, durable platform and excellent approach and departure angles. Its available kinetic dynamic suspension system enhances wheel travel. Each offers distinct advantages for different types of off-road enthusiasts. Inside, you'll find a clear contrast between these two SUVs. The Bronco embraces modern technology with a large, intuitive touchscreen and a more contemporary cabin design, offering a connected experience. The 4Runner's interior is known for its straightforward, durable layout, built to withstand years of adventure without fuss. While it may not have the latest gadgets, its simplicity is a strength for many. Both offer practical cargo solutions for all your equipment. Considering long-term value, the Toyota 4Runner consistently holds its value remarkably well, a testament to its legendary reliability. The Ford Bronco, with its fresh design and extensive customization options, offers a compelling package for those seeking a more personalized adventure vehicle. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize modern features and modularity or proven, no-nonsense dependability. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Both are excellent choices for exploring the great outdoors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.